Hello and welcome at people.blog. My name is Jose Luis Gomez and I show you how to virtualize Citrix XenServer over vSphere 5 with support running Microsoft Windows virtual machine. The first step is access over SSH, your ESXi host. Username, password, and now edit the next file to activate the new feature in vSphere 5 is an SD 64-bit guest, and now execute vi space slash etc slash vmware slash config and end the file. Add a new line with bhv dot load space equal space quote true quote and save the file. It's not necessary reboot your ESXi host. Now we create the new virtual machine. Select your host and new virtual machine. Select custom. Next, your virtual machine name. Next, your data store. Next, virtual machine version 8. Next, and now select guest operating system Linux and version Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5 64-bit. Click next. Select off number socket. Click here and select 2 or another number. Next, your memory configuration. We select 2 GB. Next, your network. Next, SCSI controller. Next, create a new virtual disk. Next, your disk size. In this case I select a 40 GB because next the virtual machine is stored in this data store. Select theme provision. Next, next, and finish. When finished the creation of virtual machine, select a virtual machine and edit. Go to Option tab and in General Option, in Other, and in the list select VMware ESXi 5. Click OK, and now boot your virtual machine. Click open the console. Select your ISO XenServer. And now start the installation. Now select your keyboard. Click OK. Accept the license agreement. Click OK. Select installation source. OK. Click No. Skip verification. OK. Enter password. OK. DHCP in this lab. OK. Default option. OK. Europe, Madrid. Using NTP. NTP. In this case, I select the NTP. O.Europe .pool.ntp.org. Okay, and install XenServer. If it's not activate new feature vSphere 5 64 nested, we look a message that advise you cannot start Windows virtual machine. When finished the installation, we can look that it's possible run and create Microsoft Windows virtual machines. Wait a few minutes. And click OK. And now reboot your system. In this case, virtual machine. Disconnect your CD. Now open Citrix XenServer to manage your XenServer. Now wait what IP of them from DHCP. This boot is slow because I have a slow CPU. Okay, here are the IP access from XenServer, add server, IP, username and password. Click on add. Here we have a new XenServer, and now create a new virtual machine with Microsoft Windows 2008, R2, 64-bit. Next. Virtual machine name. Next. Install from DVD. Next. Select host. Next. To virtual CPU. Next. Local storage. Next. Only one NIC. Next. And finish. Now to start virtual machine. It's okay. Open console. And here we have a Microsoft Windows virtual machine over vSphere 5 with support 64-bit guest and running perfectly. Here we see a performance. CPU, memory, click in virtual machine, performance tab, advanced, CPU use of virtual machine, XenServer, data store, network, and XenServer Windows virtual machine started Windows installation. And running perfectly. Now I show you how to fail XenServer if you don't activate support of ESXi5 in your virtual machine option. Create a new virtual machine, custom, next, XenServer without ESXi5 guest OS, next, select data store, next, virtual machine version 8, next, Linux, version 5 64-bit, next, to socket, next, 2 GB, next, 1 NIC, next, 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 18 GB, next, and select thin provision, sorry, next, next, and finish. Now we don't change virtual machine guest auth. Look here, option. Now doesn't change this option. Cancel and start the installation with the starting virtual machine. Select ISO from data store. Start installation XenServer. Here we have XenServer with support nested 64-bit English. Next, install now. And another XenServer without support. Select keyboard. Okay. And now when accept the license agreement, the system show alert about don't support running Microsoft Windows virtual machine. Here we have the alert with the next message. The following problem will found with your hardware. Hardware restabilization assist support is not available on this system. If you remember when we installed the last XenServer, this alert isn't show. Click OK and only run Linux virtual machine. Cancel and stop the virtual machine, and yes. Now here we have a correct installation of Microsoft Windows virtual machine. Okay. Accept. Next. Doc. Custom. And next. Okay, I hope that my first video tutorial help you about how to virtualize Citrix XenServer over vSphere 5 with a new feature with support nested 64-bit guest. I'm sorry for my English because it's my first video in English, but I hope advance in my pronunciation. Thank you for watching this video, and if you show more video in Spanish or in English in future, you can visit blog.e2h.net. Thank you.